握手，握手，shake hand，握手。哦。You're bigger than me. I doubt. Oh, are you a girl? Black lab. Very, very stinky. If you were mine, I'm gonna give you a big shower. You're black. Must be very hot in the sun. Look, oh, you're such a dog. Ooh, you're so big. Look at his paws, as big as my, almost as big as my fist. Very, very stinky. Actually, are you having a cold? I think the dog's having a cold. This is a runny nose. I come see you every day. Now that I know where you are. I just don't like how the dog of this type always kind of fat. You're as fat as a little pig. Oh. Very, very needy. I'm glad you're free out here, you know, having a little bed. You're not tied. You're a good dog. I can't believe it's an animal, you know. When I look at it, it has eyes, it has a nose, and its head is as big as my hand. Yet it's an animal rather than something that's closer to what I am. Maybe because of how big they are. I don't feel the same about small dogs. Small dogs are fine. When I look at a big dog, I just can't believe they are just an animal. Please don't jump on me. It was jumping on me and rubbing its runny nose on my clothes. I was a little scared. Thick nipples. I think it's a girl. I don't know. Got her nails clipped recently. I've not had a dog for forever. I've never had a big dog. Look how big it is. I really think it's literally probably at least weighs as much as I do. Holy shit. Really so damn big. You can't imagine how big it is. Look at my hand. It looks like a bear to me, to be fair. Like a pig. When you are, how can you just be a dog? I would expect it to talk. Come on, talk to me. Say something. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you want? The bird's there too. I don't know if the birds are talking to me. That sounds like a warning sound. You know, I've had those birds before. When they sound like that, it's kind of like a warning sound or what. Cage too small for them. Oh, you're a dog. I could be here with you. Look at his hand. My hand is just as big as my hand. Holy shit. Holy shit, I've never seen a paw this big. Oh, he doesn't like me touching it. Why they all have like a flappy eyes? Look. There was a big dog. I was walking for someone, and it was a big dog too, but his paws were smaller than this. Oh, you're such a... Oh, what do you want? You don't like me touching your paw? Oh, what do you want? Tell me. What do you want? I think they are an old dog. Look, it's getting a white beard. How old are you? It's so big, I literally feel like petting a human. Let me tell you, that's how I feel. It's just bizarre. I feel like I'm petting a human's head. If you don't look at it, it doesn't look like it. If you don't look at his face, it looks like a human's head. Hair. It's so big. You're very, very big. You know? Maybe you think we are bigger than you because we are taller than you. But you're really big. What would you like? Oh, really stinky. Damn. Very stinky. Oh. Oh. Oh man. Whenever I pet a dog, my hand gets dirty, you know? Like, look. Look at my finger. Oh. With the cats, the same too. Why aren't we covered in hair? We're the only animal out there that's not covered in hair. That has hair, but not like... I don't understand. Doesn't want me to touch its paw. Very sensitive. Very friendly dog. Reminds me of my best friend, which is also a dog. You don't want me touching your face? What does that mean? You know, use its paw to put on my hand. As if, what are you trying to say? Even your nose is bigger than mine. Oh, look. Oh, what do you mean? Mosquitoes biting my feet. Are you a girl?